I know from personal experience that creative block can be painful for jewellery makers. You feel like you want to give up, that your creativity is gone and it's never coming back, and you can also feel alone. That is precisely why I've created a course for you to help ignite your creativity and bring it back. Hello and welcome to The Stylish Maker. My name's Carol. I'm so excited today to tell you about a course that I've created for you. It's a 30-day Ignite Your Creativity Jewellery Making Challenge. The purpose of this challenge is to spark your creativity and help you to make even more spectacular pieces of jewellery. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or you're more experienced. It's not about the skills you have, it's about thinking outside the square and igniting that creativity. You also don't need any particular supplies or materials for this challenge. It's about using what you have, your imagination and your passion for jewellery making. Every day for 30 days, you will get a new challenge unlocked for you. And these challenges are designed to push you outside your comfort zone and also ignite that creativity. You'll also get a video message from me with tips, ideas and encouragement to help you along the way. As well as that, you'll get access to an amazing supportive community. Every day you can share your challenge piece and ask for feedback. Believe me, the feedback is wonderful. Our participants are so amazing and supportive. They just really want to help you grow as a jewellery maker and support you through your journey. I absolutely love seeing the work that they produce and also the feedback that they give to each other. It's just amazing how incredibly caring and supportive they are. Some of our participants have shared their stories and they've said that the challenge is pushing them to create pieces that they didn't ever think that they would be able to create. Some of them are reaching the end of their 30 days and they're already asking me for more challenges.
I highly recommend enrolling in this challenge. The challenges help to ignite your creativity, and it is so much fun seeing what others create and interacting with everyone else.
I can't recommend this course enough. It has helped me be more creative and pushed me well outside my comfort zone. The absolute best part of the challenge is the fantastic support you get from Carol and all the other members.
I have had so much fun figuring out what to make after you announced the challenge. Funny thing, too, a lot of the challenges saw me making necklaces. I'm normally a bracelet girl. I am on day 19 tomorrow, and I will miss checking in to see what everyone has made and chatting about it. The first few days, I was a bit hesitant about keeping up. Now it's my #1 priority.
This 30-day challenge has been great for a beginner like me. I joined the group just so that I could see more videos of Carol, and I had no idea what it was going to be like. I thought that I could just learn how to repair a broken necklace, but I am learning so much more than that.
You can see that our participants are enjoying the challenge and really having fun. Now don't worry about the timing. Even though a new task is unlocked for you every single day for 30 days, you do not have to create or complete them within the 30 days. You can take up to 12 months to complete the challenges, so there's no pressure, absolutely none. If you want to, you could focus on creating one a week or maybe a couple a month. Whatever works for you, that's fine. So what are you waiting for? Come join me on the 30-day Ignite Your Creativity Jewellery Making Challenge and become a member of the most caring and supportive community. The link is in the description box below. I cannot wait to see what you create. Let's ignite your creativity together.